Hi everybody, I'm Gisela Marti, Creative Director for Tammy Taylor Nails. And today I'm going to be talking about the artist collection brushes. And one of the questions that I have been asked the most in my art classes is, how is the quality of the brushes? And I have to say that the quality of our brushes is excellent. It will take the heavy work and the beat of the artist well. And if you take care of the brushes properly, the hairs will not open and they will last long. Another question that I have in my art classes is, can I use these brushes with all type of paints? And yes, you can use this with all type of paints. You can use it with acrylic paints, water paints, gel paints, and of course acrylics. So of course you can use it with all type of paints. And let me remind you, they are dual brushes. There are two sides. So when you have one brush, you have two in one. So now let me demonstrate how to use each one of them. The liners. So let's talk about this amazing brush that every artist should have on their toolbox. This liner is a dual liner. We have one side that is longer. It's very long and it's very thin. This is very important to get those details and those beautiful lines that we always want to have, but we didn't have the right tool. Now we also have in this brush the second side, which is a very thin and short liner. This is perfect for those intricate details that you want to get in those designs of yours. It's perfect. Now let me show you how to use both sides. Okay, so I have over here my designing area. I'm going to be using gel art paint white. And I have over here on this little jar, Clean It. It's alcohol solution. And the first thing that I want to be doing before I start is just bringing my brush down and then take all the excess of the Clean It completely out and then touch the point of the brush to be sure that all the hairs are together. Then I'm going to remove this, gonna put it over here. Okay, and I'm going to start. This is very simple. The first thing you want to have in consideration when you use this brush is that you only want to put paint on the tip of the brush, just like this. Look. See how tiny the amount of paint that I took? It's in a small ball, and it's only on the tip. If I come over here and I push it all the way in, then I'm going to have too much of paint, and this is not going to give me an accurate design. It's not going to be a clean design. You're going to get frustrated, so we don't want to do that. Okay, so let's clean the brush again. Let's go back again, touch. Want to be sure that it's completely clean, and then take a little bit just on the tip. Now because of that amount, what we are going to do is we're just going to place it and then pull. See, the brush is going to be doing the work for you. You're not going to have to do job over here. It's going to be effortless. So again, we're going to place it and we're going to pull. We're going to place it and we're going to pull. See how easy it was? Now, the way I'm doing it, it is just placing and then pull. I'm not doing this because then it's going to be completely different. That's going to be just fine for the different type of design. But if you want your design to be very precise and very thin and very delicate, you definitely are going to have to, once again, just the tip, place it, and pull. Got it? Okay, now let's do something different, because with this brush you can also do, you can also go in circles. So you place it and look how awesome it is and simple it is for you to do a circle. Again, I come over here, I just place it and then I lift just a little bit and keep going all the way around. This is an awesome way to do the circles because it will look not just like any regular circle, but a design circle. Look, place it and then pull all the way around. This brush would allow you to do that. Will also allow you to do curvy lines. See how I go all the way up in a curvy line? Well, this, because of how thin it is going to allow you to do that. Now, let's look at the thin part. Look how different, again, just one tiny bit of the paint is enough. But look at the difference on the once you place it and you pull. See how beautiful? Very nice and delicate. Place it and then pull. Guys, it's a brush. It's not you. It doesn't matter how much you want to say, oh, well, I'm great. It's not you. It's the brush. The brush is designed to make those perfect drops, perfect lines, effortless, allowing you to shine and look like an amazing designer. So see how beautiful, very nice and thin. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this idea and I'm going to put it in a design in a color nail. Okay, so I have a prepared nail already over here. I use the laser dust over white, the pink, which it looks really awesome. So now again, I'm going to take a small amount, see the small amount that it is, and I'm going to bring it from this side and I'm going to pull it all the way up. See, place it. Once you place it, you're going to have the wide part and then you just pull it slowly and you're going to have that thin and delicate line. Go back again, take more, and I'm going to start from one side, place it, and keep going over there. Let me put it this way so you can see it good. I'm going to place it and keep moving all the way to join the other lines. Again, over here, place it, join the line. Place it, join the line. On the side, the same way, you just place it, and when you pull it, join the line. Now look, I'm going to come over here with a little bit more at the tip, and I'm going to place it and pull inside of the other ones. And then over here in this area, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it to create a different shape than what the teardrop was. And it doesn't matter if this part over here is very thin, it's just fine, because over here then you just add another teardrop. Again, over here I want to complete this side in a different way. There we go. So this is how simple the designs that you can create with this brush are. Really beautiful, very simple. You can make a dot with it. See how I made that tiny dot? On the other side, I want to finish the other side. There we go. And if I want to add tiny ones, then I just come with it with the very small size and join them. Join a few. Right there. Right there. See, these kinds of teardrop designs, they're awesome for all kinds of occasion. It's just place it, pull, and let it be, and that's it. So I'm gonna finish over here. If later on you want to put some stones, you can finish the design by adding stones. But just like this, look how beautiful it just look. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cure, and since I'm working with gel art paint doesn't dry with tacky layer, so it will be done. Well, don't forget that there is an artist in each one of us. And the next time that you want to do a beautiful and fine details in your designs, our liner is the best brush for you.